Hello, my friends. Jacob is here once again. Thanks for pressing play, spending a little time with me. We're going to be talking about something a little crazy, a little spooky, a little sci-fi-y. The biggest discovery in the history of the world. Yeah, that's what just happened in Antarctica. This is some crazy stuff. I hope you buckled up, people. So Antarctica, that place that a lot of people think is like the edge of the plate of the world. Antarctica. It's sectioned off so that no one can really go there. Antarctica. The nations of the world have secret bases there. A lot of mystery, a lot of interesting, spooky things surrounding Antarctica. The hollow Earth theory being one of them. I don't know if you've ever heard of this, but it's a really kind of a cool idea. The idea is that the Earth is hollow. That there's that we're up here on the level of the Earth, on the crust of the Earth, but deep beneath are an alien race of giants and reptiles and all sorts of other really kind of spooky characters that are actually controlling everything. And a lot of people have said for many, many years that there are these little entrances to get to this hollow Earth. And I mean, we're talking people that are some renowned, not kind of, meathead conspiracy people. We're talking like, people that are in the government, people that are in positions of power and authority. I mean, let's be real, it was like hundreds of years ago, but the hollow Earth theory still lives on. And this discovery in Antarctica is, this lends a lot of credibility to it, because this is crazy stuff. So let me tell you all about this that just came out in the news, if you want to call it the news. Science Alert and a couple of other, like the IB Times, I guess. They reported on this. The world's deepest canyon on all of planet Earth was just discovered in Antarctica. Seen the footage of the crafts that mysteriously appear and disappear over Antarctica, or the UFOs that were shooting in and out of these cavernous holes that they said led to this hollow Earth, or this underground city where all the giants are, the Nephilim, the fallen ones? You've heard of the stories of how people have used Google Earth and they've found all sorts of anomalous activity going on and strange rock formations, pyramids, and more. Antarctica is stuff of legend. The great Admiral Byrd and his trek to try to break that icy mammoth wall that is said to be impenetrable, well, that is stuff of legend indeed. So, of course, when I see the news today about Antarctica and them discovering the biggest canyon on Earth discovered something like 11,500 feet below sea level. This is strange. They use this machine. It's called Head Machine. And the idea is it uses all sorts of data that's been collected and everything else, and most likely through some sort of artificial algorithm, I don't know, it makes a map of things. And map it did. What they discovered is something they've been trying to find for years. It turns out they have all of these strange, cavernous, deep canyonous holes that are covered by ice. Take a look at this. So when I was looking at this footage, I couldn't help but think, I wonder if all of these, because they were showing these cavernous entrances, I said, I wonder if, and they went all around Antarctica, I said, I wonder if they're all connected. What if there really is some huge underground civilization that people have talked about for many, many years? What if that is the case? And now they say because of global warming that all of this is being revealed. Slowly, drip by drip, they're giving us the information. Are there aliens down there? Is it the Anunnaki? Or is it just, it's like a big cavernous, like the Grand Canyon? Well, you all know that they have a belief about the Grand Canyon, too. Yeah, they say there's an underground civilization of cavernous caves and everything else under the canyon because most times canyons are attached to caves and tunnels and more. Isn't that cool? Makes me wonder if perhaps they're going to be releasing more information about aliens. Yeah, actually today there was a report, with the release of all that UFO footage from Tom DeLonge and his group, right? Every little by little, we're talking about aliens more and more and more. Well, today's news, newly discovered blinking space lights are signs of aliens, or could be at least. On Thursday, scientists involved with the Vanishing and Appearing Sources, which is VASCO, the VASCO project. They presented and published their findings in the Astronomical Journal, and it's very interesting. Even the co-author of the study, Martin Lopez Corredero, he noted in a press release, he made a point of saying this. He's like, look, we haven't found direct evidence of aliens, but come on, right? Come on, we got like lasers shooting in space. There's something going on. So what do you think, everybody? You think there's a big underground world going on? You think the Morlocks are down there like in H.G. Wells' 1895 masterpiece Time Machine? Coming up and eating the Eloy. You think that's where you got a bunch of cannibal monsters at the center of the earth? You got the Anunnaki? Is that what's there? Because now they have this big gaping, just the abyss. Is the ice melting? Is that what's happening? Is that the ice is melting and the abyss is about to be opened, and out of this great chasm that's deeper than 8 times deeper than the Dead Sea, are we gonna have some scary stuff? I don't know, but it sure is exciting, and I'm glad you're here to enjoy the ride with me. That's why you should be buckled up, everybody. Hey, listen. If you're not subscribed to the channel and you didn't check that bell, that notification bell, then you're being a silly goose because you're missing out on a lot of stuff, a lot of cool stuff. Please do check the bell, will you? Get notified. Tell your friends. Get involved. Tell me what you think. Is it just more nonsense? Is it just like the Grand Canyon, or is it more? I don't know. You tell me, people, and I'll talk to you soon. I love you. Bye-bye.
Thanks for watching Jacob Israel. Please hit that like button, leave a comment, subscribe, and share this channel around. If these shows have helped you, help Jacob to reach more any way you can, and have the best day ever.